equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the laser turret on your Conga 7490. This task may seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by turning off the Conga 7490 and unplugging it from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the cover is off, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the soft cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your device. If you find this task too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, locate the laser turret. It is typically secured with a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Be cautious not to strip them, as this can make removal difficult. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to pause the video and review. After removing the screws, gently lift the laser turret out of its housing. If it feels stuck, use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose. Be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components. With the old turret removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new laser turret with the housing and press it down firmly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as this could damage the turret. Before reassembling the device, it's a good idea to check for any loose connections or debris that may have accumulated. A clean device operates more efficiently. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once you're satisfied with the internal inspection, replace the base cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Finally, plug the Conga 7490 back in and turn it on. Test the new laser turret to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't forget that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the laser turret on your Conga 7490. With regular maintenance and care, your device will continue to perform at its best. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.